If you're over 40, these 3 quick moves can keep your body strong and pain-free. Simple, gentle, and joint-friendly. Follow along at your pace. Slowly roll your spine down, then roll up the same way. This improves posture and removes back stiffness. Do it for 10 seconds. Move like you're unstacking and restacking each vertebra. Step forward into a gentle lunge and push your hips forward. This protects your lower back and keeps your hips young. Hold each side for 5 to 7 seconds. Breathe in, soften, breathe out. Gently press the hips. Keep it easy and controlled. Make big, slow circles with your shoulders. This keeps the upper body flexible and reduces shoulder tension. Move through a pain-free range, no pinching. Slow is smooth, smooth is strong. Let your arms hang heavy and relaxed. Just 1 minute a day, and your body will feel younger, stronger, and more mobile. You got this. Save this and repeat tomorrow.